So we're at SHOT Show 2026, and I'm with Mark with Magna Lens, and so you have a couple cool things, I guess, coming out this year, right? Pretty new.
So this is our newest product. This is our hearing protection. It comes from the factory with the magnets already in place. We've done some other things with this product that make it unique. We put a cutout here for using long guns, so you get a nice cheek well. Okay,
that's nice.
You can feel that, how soft that is. It's a very nice product. The other thing that's really unique about this product is it has a helical microphone on both sides. What that does is it gives you hearing and sound from behind. We also have two amplifiers in our headset instead of one. Those two amplifiers process the sound much better, so you get very directional sound coming into you.
So, and if you guys don't know about Magna Lens on this, you know, these little magnets right here, they connect to.
I'd be glad to try them on.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, thank you. I'm sorry.
Go on, you adjust
it was a while. It wasn't like it wasn't perfect. I had to do a few revisions together.
They adjust very simple.
Yeah, you can adjust these
First time
sides.
adjustment takes you a minute or two.
Yeah, and the nice thing about these is so the sides here don't go underneath your hearing protection, which is
So we've solved two problems. First problem is the discomfort of wearing your glasses underneath your earmuffs. The second one is when you do that, you have a loss of hearing protection. It's possibly up to as much as 17 decibels of hearing protection loss by just breaking that seal. So we've solved those two problems 100%, no questions asked. 100% quality sound protection and a very good, comfortable fit where you don't have to take them off every hour and adjust them and rub your head.
All right, so we have the older model of these. They're a little bit wider almost or something. Bigger. So these are more kind of slim profile, but I like this cutout too. Yeah, that's pretty nice on there.
It does solve those problems of the cheek mount, the cheek well. It does a great job. It doesn't do it 100%, but it does a very good job of solving that problem. Better sound quality than anything we've had in the past. No distortion, no hiss. You don't get that all day long, which is very annoying, and comfortable to wear.
Yeah, and you can have, so a lot of you guys use the walkers, and you can get these brackets right here. They're easy to put on and change out, and so you can just put those on.
They actually go on very quick. I don't know if they'll come off that quick for you, but
they're not hard. Yeah, like that.
That's it. It comes off. The old ones come off. You put the new ones on. They turn 90 degrees. You put them back on, turn them,
and then pop them back onto the.
Pop them back into place.
So and with let me come down here real quick. So you have these various lenses that go on there, and you can put the longer sides of the eye protection here on there and just wear them just like normal eye protection if you want to. But it has all kinds of colors depending on the lighting outside and all of that. So
when you buy these in the box, they actually come with a piece of paper that tells you what each specific color is really designed for UV protection of this, that, whatever it might be that you're going to use them for.
It's pretty
A single lens set like this sells for $140 retail. 7 lenses, which is all 7 colors, sells for $330, which is a savings. And our new hearing protection sells for $110 retail. So very competitive in the market. But the most important thing is we're doing unique things that nobody else does.
Yeah, I think one of the coolest parts about this is you always know when you really appreciate a product. When I go out to the range, I find this is what I'm picking up. You know, I have all kinds of gear like this, but it's when I go to stuff like this, and I'm the one picking it up and using it, I'm like, yeah, this works. I really like this. So.
We had a gentleman tell us the other day who's been shooting a lot. In fact, he was just here a few minutes ago. He said, it's the greatest product I never knew I needed.
Yeah. That's a great way to put it.
I put it on.
Yeah, that's good. Well, thanks so much. I appreciate it. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay. All right, bye-bye.